Distinguished guests, representatives from the media. It's lovely to be here tonight. It's the first time I am on an official visit to Karachi. It's great to be here in this wonderful garden with a view to the sea, with the sea breeze. And many congratulations on organizing the All Pakistan Flower, Fruit and Vegetable Show. It's a wonderful first visit to official visit to Karachi for me, and I want to thank the administrator KMC for hosting me today, also visiting other parts of the city, seeing other parts of your beautiful city, and both what has been done and the potential for further development. It's true that Karachi and we are doing something in this province, but we realize that there is potential for doing a lot more. The UN Development Program that I represent here combats poverty, inequality, and the devastating events of climate change. Collaborating with a broad network of experts and partners in 170 countries, we help nations build integrated, lasting solutions for people and the planet.